Hey guys, I just wanted to drop a video with you guys for this week. Just kind of give you a heads up. My plan is to kind of put a video out under the instructor videos tab every Sunday evening. Next week is Labor Day weekend, so I'll probably do that Monday evening because I doubt you guys are going to want to watch videos on Sunday night. But just kind of wanted to just give a general update of each week about different things that I see that we need to work on, or just give updates or just general information. So you'll see that I've posted a couple announcements. I wanted you guys, because I know the weeks are opening up progressively, but I wanted you guys to just kind of see, you know, what to expect when you open up each week. So you'll see week 3, you'll have your first little project, project 2, project 3. And I don't want this word project to make you nervous, because basically what I'm calling a project is just means, listen, plan a little bit more time than an assignment. It's still something that you can complete within a week's timeline. So don't panic. It's not this crazy more amount of work. It is going to be a little bit more work than an assignment. But I think whenever you see what the projects are and their content, I think you'll be a little bit more comfortable with the idea of that word project. So but that was just, I posted this just so you have a general idea what's inside of each week. That way, week 3, week 6, week 10, week 14, which is finals week, you'll know that, hey, I need to give a little bit more time to heal 312. So whenever we come in here, this was week 1, so I'm just kind of looking at it. You'll see you posted your assignment. You can see your grades. Make sure that whenever you're looking at your grades, that you are looking at your comments, okay? If you got full credit, you're probably not going to see any comments from me, because that means that you've met the requirements of the assignment, everything looked good, and I don't have any feedback for you. But if you missed points for word count, or you didn't answer the question properly, or for, some other reason, then you can see that there. And then if you have any questions, once I give you the feedback, then just let me know. So let's see. I want to go over APA format in just a second, but I just want to make sure that we're getting covered here. So I want to go to the discussions tab. I know that you guys, Unit 1 is done. You guys are currently working through Unit 2 discussions. What I will say is some of these discussions you will be required to write in APA format. Or just to cite your sources. So really haven't done that a whole lot so far. These first couple weeks were just kind of, you had to give one APA format here, but week 2 and week 3 you can, well, week 3 you can't see yet, but there's not any APA there yet, but you will start to see that as we move forward. So I do want to kind of click over here to Purdue OWL. I know that some of you guys have written in APA format before, and if you have, you've probably written in 6th edition, and now it's switched over. It is frustrating. I'm in my doctoral program right now, and I felt like a well-oiled machine with 6th edition, and now everybody's having to switch over to 7th, myself included. So whenever you're citing before you do, there have been changes. So you need to come to Purdue OWL if you don't have the 7th edition textbook, which you probably don't. And then you can see here it gives a whole bunch of templates. A lot of you guys give me websites, which is why I have electronic resources pulled up right here. But anything, books, articles, all of this, everything you can think of to cite, it's there. So just scroll through that, familiarize yourself with it. You can see the web page. It gives you, here's the template, and then it gives you an example of somebody plugging it in. One thing you'll notice is that you have to include the month. When you do a website, didn't used to have to do that. It was just the year. Title of page used to not be italicized. It is now. Site name used to be italicized, and it's not now. Leave out the pesky retrieve from. That wording is 6th edition, not 7th. You can see you just immediately go to the URL. Templates are meant to be exact. Don't add in extra information. But I just want you guys, don't try to cite without first reviewing APA, okay? But if you have any questions as we move through, let me know. I know this Wednesday to Tuesday week, just make sure you're conscientious of it, because when this whole semester got consolidated and into 13 weeks, we had to start working right away to be able to cover what we needed to cover. The week started on Wednesday, so school started on Wednesday, so it put us on Wednesday to Tuesday weeks. So just make sure you get used to it. Any questions, let me know, and you guys have a great week.